already feel good already in terms of what we caught before, so we're trying to search for some more fish. You know, probably check. We'll check more fish pot down.
Yeah, man, I will leave it up.
I will leave that one. So
it's not dry.
Cool. So we're about to check some more fish pots. You know, so that we can show you guys, you know, a lot more stuff, a lot more catch and cook. So we have lobster, which is something that I really wanted to get, so I can do up a really cool recipe on that one. And it's a vibe, let me tell you, man. If you've never done this before and you come to Jamaica and you really want to, you know, just relax a little bit, you know, you probably can link up with a fisherman, you know, do a charter and, you know, go to sea and see what they do. You know, it's not the easiest of jobs, you know, it's a very hard job. So when a fisherman will sell you a fish for a certain price, like, don't complain, especially when you know the fish is fresh and you see him come out back from sea, fresh fish. Alright, alright guys, so now we're currently just searching for some more fish spots. So much pulling this man if I pull something from underwater.
Yeah.
Whole heap of work. Alright, I like a king crab. Alright, as you guys can see, we're still out at sea. Still searching in blue waters for some nice fish, you know, so that we can show you something different in this catch and cook video. We don't know what we're gonna get exactly, but I'm sure it's gonna be something good. This is even better than restaurant fresh. So the spearfish are out there. It's gonna be hard to see him, but he's trying to shoot a barracuda. Yo, I wish I could get him to like film it for you guys to show. That would be so cool.
Yeah, man. Yeah, but you see you now tomorrow. Probably. What am I telling you? Man, I want to know stuff. You know, some sleep sound. When I hear it.
Let's say I drive sleep and I hear no shot.
No, and I do always do it every year.
When we live in a wheelchair, you know, me used to hear it.
Yeah, man, yeah. Every year then. Every new year.
If you're wondering why I have this thing on, is because of the smoke from the engine. Just kind of want to make sure, so you know, keep any nauseating smell out.
Yes, didn't go over, sir.
It's just exciting to me.
Over by the ocean. Hey, then you can see it. You can see it today.
I guess we said put a while ago.
Eh?
You put a while ago.
No, man, I'm gonna check this out.
Look further.
So we just pull in oh, concrete, as like a eel.
Yeah.
Hey! Yo! Bam! Yeah, man, I know the one that bust off all the thing, guy. So I'm gonna refuel up the thing now. Put some fuel. Alright, so we've been out here for a minute, yo. The time right now is it's 11:07 a.m. and I've been up from 5 o'clock. Came on the boat at 6, so you can do the math of the time, 5 hours. So we've been out here for a while now. So we just refueled and we caught some good things so far today. I'm gonna do a couple videos on it because we caught king crabs, which I would like to do a cook up on that. Caught lobster, I want to do something on that as well. We caught several different kinds of fish, so yo, it's a vibe. Yo, pretty, this thing crab is a big one.
You see it?
That's a super big one.
Put them all up and I grab it and come trade out.
Which one? You want to mess up?
Yeah.
Hey, that can't fit my pot enough. Yeah.
Eh?
Need a big old dirty pot for that one now.
Eh?
Need a big pot for that one.
I'll get trouble people more.
Alright guys, currently back at the spot right now, doing the part of the video I'm sure most people want to see, which is the cooking part. So today now we're doing the king crab cook. In the previous video before, you guys saw me, you know, do up some lobster. That was really good. We just got the fire started really quickly because it's pretty late now. It's around 4:10 p.m. and sunset is about 5:45. And if you guys know, YouTubers, we need lighting. So the hardest part about this is to get the pot of water hot. So you know, let's start on that, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Remember, drop a like on it. I appreciate that. This is literally nature's most perfect stove. Like, everything does fit on it properly. And the sticks are underneath there. I can always restock it. But anyway, I'm gonna season the pot really quick and clean up the crabs. Alright, it's gonna be our basic seasoning, guys. I have some pimento somewhere, but garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, some thyme, some escallion, some ginger, and some salt. You guys can season it however you want to season it. Yeah, just to show you what is a pimento for those who don't know what pimentos are. Yeah, these are the stuff right here in Jamaica, very popular in seasoning. So we're gonna add those stuff really quick after we wash them off. Gonna add a couple more garlic cloves to it. Yo, I love garlic. It's a really nice flavor. So I'm gonna add a couple more to the pot and then we should be good. Alright, I'm kind of happy because I see the boiling bubbles, like the small ones at the bottom of the pot. So that's good. Add a bit of salt to it and we should be good. Alright, so the pot is getting there, getting to the boiling point, but I'm just gonna drop these in because it's getting late. Yeah, well, it's getting pretty hot. Alright, chop those legs in. The only bad thing around here, guys, is that the wood is either wet because it's close to the sea, or they're very light. Like, you can hear that broke so easy, so it's gonna burn out really quick. So I have to keep restocking the fire. That kind of sucks. This one's a nice one though. Yeah, that should burn pretty long. Alright, fire's going pretty good. Yo, look how I'm burning up my mother pot. I'm gonna have to clean this the hell off, or I probably might keep it and get her another one because I like this. It's pretty sturdy. But yeah. Yeah, it's steaming up in there. That's a good look. Alright, baby. If we don't get to finish it down here, I'll just take it home and just finish up the curding process, you know. Guys, I can tell you this much, being out here, I mean, the concept is very easy, but when you have to do it, it's a bit tricky. But apart from that, like, it's just nice being out here listening to the waves crashing against the rocks. That's a vibe. You can feel the chill of the air, but then the warmth of the fire. Yeah, but I'm pretty hungry. The only thing I had today was that lobster from that last video. If you haven't seen that video, you'll go check it out. It was the last upload. But yeah, I'm just still here waiting. Belly a growl. Alright, so let's have a look in the pot. They should be getting red now. Oh yeah, baby. Haha. Yo. I think next time I'm gonna put like a rock here so I can get the pot more central, because I think I'm losing a bit of the fire that way. But I can't move it right now, it's too hot. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a couple things into this pot here. Add some seasoning. So the seasoning I'm gonna be using is some all-purpose seasoning, which can be used for anything: chicken, fish, crabs, whatever. Some cumin, some nice yellow curry, of course coconut oil. You guys know I love coconut oil, so definitely gonna be using some virgin coconut oil. That one's by Grace, of course. And a little bit more of everything that I did use before in the pot, which is your garlic Never use onions, but onions and some ginger. That's gonna take 5. Cut some of these stuff off really quick. I think the crab should be done already. Crab doesn't take that long to cook. So now that they have gotten a skull, so the meat should be cooked already. All I'm gonna do is just to make the stuff for the curry, mix it up together a bit, have that soak into the crab a little bit, and it should be done. I think my sister should be home pretty soon, so she should get crab. My mom should get crab, and they'll be able to tell you if it was good or not. I'm gonna try to get some of the skin off. I don't need to take off everything. Beating out the ginger a little bit, so that's gonna go good. And yeah, pretty much all my seasoning that I have washed off here, so we should be good. All right, so the crab was on a nice boil, so that's good. I'm gonna take them out right now. All right. Yep. Let's take them out and pop them down. Alright, so let's get to doing the curry part of this. Adding some of the oil in. Some coconut oil in there. Dab. It's a nice amount. Oh, smoking up. Need to get this fire started properly. Alright, so get the fire hot, and then all I'm gonna do is burn the curry a bit. If you're a Jamaican, you know how Jamaicans feel about burning curry. We feel if we don't burn the curry, then you're gonna have a stomach ache when you eat. So I have to do that because the Jamaicans will kill me. Alright, if I'm not lying, I believe. Oh, I almost got the camera. If I'm not lying, I think coconut oil heats up at a lesser, it's harder to heat up than regular oil, I believe, or vice versa. I don't know, but anyway, it's getting hot right now, so I'll be able to add the curry in maybe the next minute or so. All right, it's curry time. It's curry time. I don't have a spoon or nothing like that out here. Bear in mind, every curry acts differently. Some curry is very yellow, some is a bit dark, some is green. This is not my curry in particular, it's my mom's, so I don't know how this one will go, but I'll just add as I think I need it. Maybe add a little bit more. The fire go on a lot. Alright, I think that's it. This curry smells rich. Alright, as I said, I don't have anything to do any mixing. I don't have no spoon or nothing, so I'm just gonna use this bamboo that I washed off a bit. And that smells so good. My pot one as well. And that would have been tragic. Now I can add these stuff. Good. I want to do that really quick. Pop this pepper. Hope it's not too hot. Do that really quick. I don't want them to start burning. Mix. I wrapped up a stick of butter here. Gonna break it off, so about a quarter stick of just regular butter that we you all know about Jamaica. And I'm gonna add some pimento to that. What's my pimento? Yeah, over time I'm gonna have my thing together where I'll have my spices set up properly so it's not this tricky to do it. Alright, so now that's all that's done. Yes. I'll just add some water. Alright, that should be good. Now normally I find curry itself has a very salty flavor already. So before I even add any salt or the seasoning, I'm going to taste it myself to make sure. Alright, so I tasted it just now. It wasn't that salty, so I'm going to add a full pack of this. I'm not going to add any salt. I think this is enough. Add a full pack of this. Taste it again. If it needs more, then I'll add another one and see what's the vibe. Alright, so we add in the final claw and then show you guys the eggs, what they look like. See that? Wow. Anyway, put that in and then get the fire started a bit hot under there, cover it up, and then I'll take it home so my mom can be the judge. Oh guys, I think I can safely say we almost or pretty much beat the clock. I won't eat it here by the river, by the sea, but I'll eat it at home. But I know the dish is pretty much done. It's just for it in here to, you know, start steaming up or bubbling up, and it should be good. Oh yeah, I added some cumin to it last. I did add another pack of this all-purpose seasoning and a little bit of salt. Oh, and another pepper because I wasn't tasting any pepper in it. Gosh. Alright, so my sister made some white rice. Yep. And some curry chicken. Mom, I'm not fit so people know see their night clothes. Anyway. And oh, we got some vegetables here. Alright, cool.
No, Steven.
Oh.
Seasoning, man. No, seriously.
Oh yeah.
So hold on. Who gets this part of the crab?
If you want a pot, you take it.
Oh! I have to eat crab, right?
In a pan.
You cannot not eat crab.
Take one with egg. That have egg? Look,
I'm not so sure. You tell me which one has egg.
No.
This?
No, I think it's the other one. The other one have egg.
This one?
Yeah. You can have that one as well, you know.
This one? Yeah, I can have this one too. Oh, you guys not
I just prefer the legs, and I probably have half the back then.
You know what about meat?
Mommy, just take away taking out now so she can take away to her crab.
Come on, man.
You're not taking a claw?
I have one already.
A claw?
No. Okay, this is on me so messy. I have to get peanut paper.
I need a container too.
What happened?
Got a claw big. So she need a container too.
I'm confused.
If it's a real Jamaica, you know, so we keep the sheep and butter something. As containers.
Hello?
That's a huge claw.
I got lucky.
Alright, so I'm gonna grab mine and start this eating process. Alright, so basically we're eating on the floor, laid out some newspaper. My sister's curry chicken is so good. It's really, really good. Enjoying that. Haven't had the crab as yet, but my sister had some. What do you think?
Listen to me. Wet up. Food orgasm.
Whoa.
I broke. Oh, wait, no. Yes. Come to mama.
Yeah, the
Don't
same.
break it on you. You know who that love is?
Michelle.
And they come on the 12th.
Oh, really?
You talk about this, man? First person come to my man, a kid.
Oh, yeah.
Come not this open. Come here.
It's good?
What did you guys say?
Yeah, crab and rice goes well.
Nice. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that catch and cook. Now we're at the part of the video where I'm going to be reading a couple of your comments and giving a couple of you some shout outs. But this part of the video is brought to you guys by Dashlane. I am super excited because this is an application that I've been using for a while, and Dashlane reached out to me and said, hey, they want to give my subscribers full 30-day premium access. Once you guys jump down to the link in the description box and you click it, you guys will get full access of this application. Now, one of my favorite things about Dashlane, apart from the fact that it helps me to keep my information safe while I travel, is that it allows me to have my online passport. Oh, yo, when you're traveling from country to country, especially when I was traveling back from Mexico and we had a layover in New York, our flight was like early. It's like a 3 a.m. flight in the morning, and you know you have to do online check-in. It was one of the worst things when you have to wake up in the morning and, you know, search your passports to try to put in the information. With Dashlane, I had my online passport information with one click of the button. All of my credential went in, and I knew that everything was safe and secure. Guys, trust me, I want you guys to jump on the description box there, click on the link, and make sure that you guys sign up with Dashlane. But anyway, let's get into the part where I'm going to read some of your comments. And the first comment is coming from my boy Alex Mills. Alex says, "So I love your videos, bro." Yo, Alex, thanks so much for the support. Thank you. The next one is from Brova Light. "Sorry it's hot, but at least it isn't -2 degrees Celsius like it has been here." Laugh out loud. You're right, Jamaica's pretty hot right now. And the last comment is going to be from Bella Rules. Bella says, "Yum, everything looks delicious. Gizzard is one of my favorites. I love when you can taste the coconut and the ginger and the moisture of the inside part. I also don't like my crust too hard because then it feels like it's been sitting on the shelf too long. The presentation is everything, and I think I might go to the website and check out their goods. Thanks for the review." I appreciate it, Bella. I'm glad that you will check out their website and buy some of the goods. But anyway, that brings us to the end of the comments, guys. Yo, remember, click the link in the description box. Go over there and check out Dashlane. Remember, this is supporting the channel as well. Try the free 30-day trial. You guys will enjoy it. And remember these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.